Hi students, today we are going to discuss about the SolidWorks basic drawings. Okay, so how we will start that? So there is an icon, just click that. So today we are going to discuss about the SolidWorks basic drawings. So basic tutorial drawings. So just have a look here. So uh, SolidWorks icon is there, just click that. So let me cover the sketch related tools today. So while opening the our SolidWorks, okay, so in that there are some modules are already being there. So that is the part and assembly and drawing. So if you will choose the drawing, that means sketch related things. If you want to draw the only sketch related things, then simply to click the drawing. Or part also. Part is also okay, do the same thing. So now we are choosing the drawing, for example drawing. So in that, so let they ask you that which sheet, okay, are you going to draft. So that is the already you have the some sheet sizes, that is. And now we are going to discuss about the sketch related things. So what are the sketch tools are there? So these all are the sketch related things. Okay, so those are the line. Okay, so line is also having the different types of lines are there. That is the line, center line, okay, and midpoint lines. Those are the lines are there, and circle. So just let me start the our line. So line is the just let me start the diagram from this place. Okay. This is the line is there. Okay. So continue to up to escape. So you should also draw the lines. So and if you will draw the straight line, then simply to give the some references while we start that. So for example, so this is there straight. Okay. And again some references to give the automatic references, okay, in our especially SolidWorks and CATIA and whatever the 3D modeling packages are there. Okay, so just click that and simply to connect this. Okay, escape. Okay, now this is the line, normal line, and now go to take the center line. Center line means what is the purpose of center line? So for example, if you want to create the some axis lines, so that means references purpose. So generally you will take that lines. Okay, so center lines. Okay, so whatever the references needed for completing of your drawing, so then definitely you will take the center lines. Okay, so that is there. And another one is the midpoint line is there. So that means just have a look here. Midpoint. So that is the starting from midpoint. By the help of midpoint line. Okay. So that means the line will starts from midpoint to ends. So that is that type of line is also there in our SolidWorks. These are the line related things. Okay. And next one is the rectangle. So rectangle is also having the types. So more number of types are there. Okay. So before going to creating the rectangle, so first let me clear this particular sheet. Okay. So then just select this one. just delete it, just delete that. Okay, just clear the area. Okay, now going to take the our this area. Now going to draw the our rectangles. So the rectangle is different types of rectangles are there. Corner rectangle, so that is the corner. So that means if you will know the corner of the rectangle, so then simply starts with the rectangle, so that corner wise. Okay, so this is the corner wise rectangle. Okay, first point, first corner of the rectangle and second corner of the rectangle. So then leave it. And a second time is centered rectangle. So centered rectangle means let you start the rectangle from the center point. So that means you would know the only center point of the line. So for example, so just have it. Okay. So this is the center point and edge of the our rectangle. So one edge of the rectangle. So that is there. And another rectangle is there, 3-point corner rectangle. So 3-point means 3 points. You should also given the 3 points for making that particular rectangle. So that is the first point is this one, and the second point is this one, and the third point is this one. Okay. So this is the third point. So this is the parallelogram. It's like seems to be parallelogram. That is the one type. And another one is there, 3-point centered rectangle. So whatever the given values are there, that means whatever the data we have, so then you have to choose that type of the rectangle. Okay, if you are having the only length and breadth one, so then simply to draw the only basic first one. Okay, so now center point, and this one, 3 dimensions. Okay, 3 values. So this is there. And final one is also there, that is the parallelogram. So parallelogram means simply to take the 1 point and this line and this line. Okay, so just give the 3 input parameters. So these are the rectangle values are there. Okay, and if you want to put the dimensions, then small dimension option is there. Okay, so then click that and give the, okay, just click it. What is the value in that? So how much? This one? 194. So then if you want to change that value, then simply to change it. 200. Okay. So that is there. Dimension text. DAM. Decisions. The dimension is there. That is the dimensions are there. Okay, so now line and rectangle is done. Okay, now clear this sheet by the help of this one. Just delete it. Just select that and delete. Okay, so that is the rectangle. Now go to see the circle. Circle is the 2 types of circles are there. So before going to see that, so circle, just center the base and rectangle circle is there. So that is the point and only simply to give the radius. So that radius is 20 for example. So give the dimension. So how much of dimension it is? So that is the how much? 44 dia. So then simply to put it as the 50 dia, for example. So 50 dia is there. Okay. So that if you want to look out that this particular value is being okay, some bigger. Zoom to it, okay. So just have a look. Okay. Our text is also appeared right now when we are zooming it. So now you will create the another circle. So perimeter circle. So while you are going to that one, so first you will create the one rectangle. So that rectangle is, for example, let me take the centered rectangle. Okay. This rectangle is there. Okay. So now you will create the another type of the circle. Perimeter circle is there. So just click that. So that means you will give the three inputs for drawing of the, for creating of the that circle. So what are the three inputs are there? This line, and this one is the second line, and third one is the, for example, this one. This one. So just have a look. This circle is tangent to the all the lines now. Okay. So that type of circles will also constructed by choosing the perimeter circle. Okay, perimeter circle. And next one is the arcs. Center point arc is there, tangent arc is there, 3-point arc is there. So just let me take the center point arc. So that is there. So center point, and where only you should also take the only arc. So from this point to this point only, not only circle. Okay, only arc. So just you will choose the center point and first point of the arc and second point of the arc. So that is the center point of the arc. And another one is the tangent arc. So tangent arc. So just now we are also going to draw the tangent arc. So that is the please select an endpoint of the sketch segment. Okay. Okay. Place an endpoint of the arc. So first point, second point, and third point. You just have a look here. So you will also create this type of the arms. So whatever the shapes, whatever the arcs you needed, so for polygons, so simply to create. Okay. So that is the 3-point escape. Another one is the 3-point arc. So 3-point arc means, so first let me take that first point. Okay, start and end points. So give the start and end points and place a point on the circumference of the arc. So then start point is this one.